Adobe recently added AI features to Captivate, and you'll find this in Captivate 13 and newer. And I want to show you how it works. So I want to replace this placeholder image with a photograph. When I right-click the placeholder and choose Replace Image, my options now include Generate. So Assets would find an image located in the Captivate assets. These are images that come with Captivate, but there aren't very many of them, and I think you'll be disappointed trying to use the assets. System would be an image from your computer or network. You also could Google search, for instance, and find an image. The problem with that is you'll come across copyright restrictions. So I recommend you not search for an image. And if you do search for an image, make sure you got permission to use that image from the copyright holder. And I'm going to generate instead. So when I click generate, that opens up on the right side of the screen the generate image area, and I can generate either a photo or artwork, and I'm going to go with a photo. So I'm going to click in the prompt, and I'm looking for a safety kill switch or a safety switch for my warehouse safety project. So I'm going to type safety switch. And let's just see if that yields any positive results. So I'll click generate. Now I'm unhappy with the results, so I'll change my prompt. All right, I like this much better. All I have to do now to use the image is click, and the AI image is added to my project.